What is going on, my Atomic Cycle Work friends? So check this out. We just finished up one of our FLH seats. These solo seats fit 09 to current road glides, street glides, and Electra glides. We do not recommend them if you have crash bars that go under the seat. The seats will fit, but it has a gap over your side covers that's a little high. But if you want like more of a slam look and you're looking for like a low profile seat, these are great. This one here, actually, we made very low with a nice comfortable foam, and we pushed your rider forward. We narrowed a lot in the front so that you have a little bit room to wiggle back and forth, because sometimes when you go forward, you start to slide up the seat, and that doesn't help when you have a shorter inseam, because you actually want to make sure you're as low as possible. And with this seat, you are as low as possible. She actually went through and wanted our heavy stitch in diamond purple, which is great. This stuff is just, it looks like it's like you light it up like it's electric. And then we kind of radiused the back just so it didn't look like she was getting pushed forward as much. And then the bottom of it just has a nice felt on the bottom, because it's one of our more show seats. We'll cover the bottom with felt so you don't scratch up your side covers. Sometimes we don't. If it's a touring seat that gets a lot of water on it, we don't put anything on the bottom. We'll actually just pull it around and rivet it in. This one we did not do gel in, because she said she originally wanted gel, but when she sat on the bike with the gel, she actually liked the foam better without the gel, and we actually sculpted it right to her butt, so it's a really good fit. And that's it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the bell. Go to atomicautoworks.com to buy these. Thanks.